Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can create stitches like this inside Blender within few clicks. So let's go. So let's start creating. So first I'm going to click on the model, press tab key to go to the edge selection mode. Then I'm going to select the edge from here. So this is the edge I'm going to select right here. Then I'm going to press P key for the separate command, and I'm going to separate this edge loop from here. Okay, then I'm going to hide my model to show you how this loop looks like. So this is the loop where we are going to create the stitches. Next I'm going to select this loop and press tab, and then I'm going to come to the vertex mode and I'm going to drag and select all the vertices. Then I'm going to press V key and I'm going to click outside like that. This will make sure that I have detached each and every vertices so that I can create stitches like form in this loop. Next I'm going to press the S key and I'm going to scale it by making sure that I have my individual origins selected. Once I have done that, you can see that I have all these stitches which is going around like this. Okay, let me bring down my model back to show you how this looks. Next what I'm going to do is I'm going to press tab to come back to the object mode. Then I'm going to right click on the stitches and I'm going to say convert to curve. So this made sure that the edge loop is converted to curve right now, and we are going to get this option right here. So clicking on this option, we can come down to the geometry tab, and from here we are going to select this option, that is the depth, and I'm going to increase the depth right here, and this will make sure it is creating these cylinders which is separated and looks like stitches. Now I'm going to hide the pillow again. So let me hide the pillow. I just want to see the model right here. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that I will decrease the poly counts from here. So I'm going to come to the resolution, I'm going to click back and I'll make sure that I'm reducing the poly count. Now there is another thing that we need to do is we need to fill this caps right here. So we are not going to click on this. By clicking on this, you can see that we are having this triangle caps, so we are not going to use that. What we are going to do is we are going to hit right click and we are going to convert this to mesh. Then what we are going to do is we are going to press tab, then we are going to select all the faces like this. Then we are going to press F key and that will make sure that we have filled all the faces right here. Next what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the stitches right here and I'm going to come down to the modifiers. Then I'm going to add a subdivision to this. Adding a subdivision, this looks like this. Then I'm going to increase the count here to make sure that it looks something like this. Then I'm going to turn on my mesh right here to see how this looks. So if you find something that is not usual, what you can do is you can separate this. So we can fix this area right here. We can select this edge, and what we can do is we can press V key and that will make sure we have separated that area. Then I'm going to select this edge right here. So this edge loop right here, and I'm going to bring this back like that, and I can bring this edge loop back like this. Then I can select these faces right here and I'm going to press F and that will fill the holes. Now I can go ahead and turn on this and you can see that now I can see my stitches. Now you can also scale your stitches if you want. So press tab and go to the transparent mode and select all the faces like that. So make sure you are selecting all the faces. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure I'm in the individual origins, and I'm going to press S and I can scale it like this. Then I can also duplicate this if I want. So Shift D and I'm going to press Z key and I can also duplicate this one. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. If you did like, do press the like key and do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you and have a nice day.